I know it's dark, but I'm documenting this for myself. So it's February 20th, 2020. And I wanted to make a note. I don't know if anybody's interested in this. Hi, it's Robbie from Southern California. But I just came in. The sun is almost down. It is 6 o'clock almost, and there are thousands of hummingbirds everywhere. They're desperately feeding. I'm hoping you can see this. They're feeding out of everything. I'm trying to get all the feeders I possibly have out. I don't know if you can see, they're even feeding out of the little button dots I make. All the feeders around here, there's thousands, and they usually don't feed this late. There, a lot of them start to go into the trees. So my guess is they're on the move. Spring is coming, and a lot of these probably are moving on their way up north. So they're coming from the south and they're going north. So if you don't have hummingbirds yet, be aware you're probably going to start seeing hummingbirds in the next week or two. They may hang around here for a few days to fuel up if they've been on a long, long journey. Who knows where they came from, but if they came from Central America or Mexico, you know, they may stay here for a while and then start moving across the United States and upward. But tonight is the first time I'm seeing numbers upon thousands feeding. So I thought I'd just give you kind of this update. See, they're even staying here to perch for a moment. They're that tired, and they might have just come in this evening. They may have been looking for food, and they saw the other hummingbirds feeding as they were traveling through, and a lot of them have stopped by, and they've just emptied out the feeders almost. But they're feeding off of everything. I'm trying to get all the feeders I possibly can out so they can feed and not have to quarrel, which none of them are. They're all very peaceful. But see, I just filled all those, and I hope you can see this. I filled another one in the back. They're emptying it that fast, and there's feeders in the back there too. They're all over the deck, all over the garden. But these birds are just all over. So that is my guess, because I don't believe this many is going to stay here and nest. And they are getting ready. I have seen them around the garden starting to collect spider webs and different things. They've been taking apart old nests because they use the old nests to build new nests. And like I said, I'm even trying to get dots out. I make these button dots. I'm trying to get as many of those out because they're just feeding everywhere. Like in the garden, on the deck, everywhere I've got feeders, they're coming in. And literally by the thousands, I cannot keep enough food in these feeders. I'm running around trying to fill them all as fast as I can. So that's the update. I think the hummingbirds are on the move. I think a lot of you that are probably further up in Oregon and Washington and across the United States are going to start seeing hummingbirds probably within the next 3 to 4 weeks. Depends on how long it takes for them to travel. Depends on the weather. I know our weather is cooling, but when they know that it's time, they get the sign, and it's a march of flight all the way. They don't fly in groups. That's one thing they don't do, but they are all traveling basically to the same areas. So it appears that they fly in groups, but they're very aware of their surroundings. They're very aware of what other hummingbirds are feeding on. They have to be at their size. I want to move out of the way because a lot of them are not regulars, so they don't know who I am. And I want them to feel comfortable to feed because the sun is almost down. And I want to make sure they all get enough food, because if they don't, they could perish. So that's an update. Start looking for hummingbirds, and as soon as you see them, start getting your hummingbird feeders out. And post underneath if you want, and let me know if you've seen the hummingbirds. You know, if you haven't seen them all winter, and if you start seeing them, they may come in 1 or 2. It might be a male or a female, but they are on the move. Have a great day. I better get those filled again. I just filled them. And don't forget to eat what you grow. And don't forget, it's a real simple recipe. It's 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar. If you can get cane sugar, that's better. To 1 cup of water. That's it. That's simple. Just 1/4 cup of sugar to a cup of water. Do not use honey. Do not add vitamins. Do not add anything else to it. You can use, if you can drink your tap water, they can drink it, and get it out there, and let's give them a helping hand, because nowadays they don't always find enough food. Have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye, everybody.